Hey you guys, thanks for joining me. Today we'll be making no-churn maple pistachio ice cream. I started by whipping 4 cups of heavy whipping cream in a stand mixer. And to that I added sweetened condensed milk, some pure vanilla extract, and maple extract. And then I added those chopped pistachios that you saw me do earlier. Fold it in lightly so you don't lose any of that volume you built up in the whipped cream. After tasting it, here's where I decided that I needed to put more maple flavor punch into it. So I kicked it up by adding some more maple extract, and I did add additional pistachios. I poured all that into a freezer tin. You can use whatever you like, but I used a disposable aluminum pan. I smoothed it evenly and then drizzled the entire top with pure maple syrup. I covered and froze the ice cream for no less than 4 hours before scooping and serving. Thanks for watching. It's time to eat. Get the full recipe at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.